Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the BrilliantPad Smart Self-Cleaning Dog Potty, a genuinely automated indoor potty solution for small dogs. Let's break down what it offers. This is a smart self-cleaning system that handles both number 1 and number 2 automatically, and it includes a camera, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a smartphone app that advances fresh pads and gives you health insights about your dog's bathroom habits. That means genuinely touch-free cleanup, controllable right from your phone. For odor and mess control, it automatically wraps and seals pet waste, keeping your home clean and preventing your dog from tracking mess around the house. The automatic roll advancement ensures your dog always has a clean, dry pad after every use. Even while you're away, no manual rinsing or dumping required. This is genuinely designed to reduce a common source of pet anxiety too, since the potty is always clean and available, giving your dog freedom to go whenever needed rather than waiting for you to clean up first. It's positioned as a real alternative to artificial grass, tray systems, or litter boxes. The pads themselves are built from 5 layers of durable, ultra-absorbent material, and one roll is equivalent to about 21 traditional puppy pads, genuinely convenient if you're currently going through pads constantly and don't want to keep restocking as often. One important note directly from the listing: this is specifically designed for small dogs under 25 pounds, measuring 34 by 24 by 6 inches and weighing 10 pounds. It's not intended for large or adult dogs that aren't already using disposable pads, so it's worth confirming this fits your specific dog size and habits before purchasing. Overall, the BrilliantPad combines genuinely automated waste handling, smart app monitoring, and long-lasting pad efficiency, making it a strong option for small dog owners who want a low-maintenance, hands-off indoor potty solution. I'll leave a link to this dog potty in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.